get me a little small microwave and put it in here and utilize it for a kitchen. I'm going to just, I've been looking for a kids play kitchen that's the L shape, and I can put it right here all the way behind my driver's seat, and I can put my kitchen sink in there, cut the kitchen sink out that's already in there, or use it and just put a hose and connect it to a gray tank and my water tank, and use the sink that comes with the kitchen as my kitchen, and put my hot plate on it and everything. So that's my next purchase, is a kid's kitchen to put in here, because why build it when it's already built, and it's more economical to go that route. Just get a kid's kitchen.